sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you.
So guys, we have reached Karnataka, right?
Almost.
Yeah, we have almost reached Karnataka.
So I think this is the Bandipur Wildlife Sanctuary.
Yeah, we have crossed Muthaiya Wildlife Sanctuary and we have entered Bandipur Wildlife Sanctuary.
Yes.
And while coming from Pandalur, we started from Pandalur. So Google Map showed us a route where from Tamil Nadu we went to Kerala and from Kerala we went to Karnataka. So this, how about the roads?
Roads are good. I mean, until now, only a little stretch of the road. In Kerala, it was not that good. It was very bumpy. The road looks good, but it's actually a little bumpy. But the rest of the roads in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, they are quite good. Even now, this is the NH7. Yeah. And I have also read that you can spot many animals.
Yeah, we have started spotting animals. We can see peacocks here and we already saw deers.
That's really nice.
Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
Our rooms, are you? 107 and 108. So this is our room. And this is the bed. There's a bed, there's a couch and a workstation. Oh, and also you have a beautiful garden, balcony. So guys, we have reached Sri Rangapatna temple. One guy is stopping us. We have reached Sri Rangapatnam, Sri Ranganatha Swami temple.
So that was Sri Rangapatnam temple.
Sri Rangapatnam temple.
Sri Ranganatha Swami temple. Yeah.
Yeah. It was a very nice temple. Because of COVID, rush was not there. We were able to pray very peacefully. It was a nice temple, like that Padmanabha Swami temple's idol's pose.
The same.
This is also a very old temple. This also comes under the archaeological, archaeological?
Survey of India.
And see, here all this Kalmandapam and all. They are very old. No people in there.
Yeah. Let's go then.
Yeah.
So guys, after visiting the Ranganath Swami temple,
Towards right.
yeah, to the
Right
just beside the temple, you have a small way coming in.
So you go through that way, like half a kilometer, la?
Yeah, around
200-300
meters. So you can see that a small tunnel over there. You have to go walk through this way, step over there, and you can touch the holy Kaveri. People say all your sins are washed away.
You can go wash your
Legs.
legs.
It's good, neat water.
Water is good, but the area is not good.
Not so good.
You have to take care of it.
Yeah.
But the water, flowing water is good.
Yeah.
It is clean.
It's clean.
You can see
Yeah.
the fishes inside.
Yeah. So that's about the Ranganath
We are
Swami temple.
heading towards the next destination.
Yeah. So next we
Before
have,
sunset, we have to reach Vrindavan Garden and show you the dancing fountain.
yeah, the light show. What's it called? Light show.
Yeah. Illumination show.
Let's go there. So guys,
We are at Vrindavan Gardens.
Yes.
You can see this huge parking slot over here. It's so huge.
that you can.
I have never seen such a huge parking lot. Have you seen?
Yes.
Where?
Yeah.
In Bombay.
Yeah, in Mumbai, so many places. But yeah, it's huge, and not organized. So you won't have anyone guiding you to park here, park there. No, you have to search your own way. And the Google Maps location that shows Vrindavan Gardens is something different. It leaves you at the entry of this dam, which is above, but the garden is actually below the dam.
They are redirecting you. Actually, there are signboards. If you see the signboards, you can reach here.
Yeah.
If you follow the maps, you will be misdirected.
Come on, look at
Mummy. Amma.
So this is the entry to Vrindavan Gardens, and you have to take tickets. And I can see a huge line ahead. Queue. Let's see.
So guys, this is the ticket counter for Vrindavan Garden, and it is 50 rupees for adults and 10 rupees for children. And the lighting time is like 7 o'clock to 7:55 from Monday to Friday, and on Saturdays and Sundays it is from 7 o'clock to 8:55 p.m. So you can enjoy the timings. If you are taking a still camera, then you'll have to take an extra ticket of 100 rupees.
So guys, this is the Vrindavan Gardens. It's actually confusing. It's actually confusing where to go, what to do. You can take guides and all, but yeah, this we heard that this garden is spread in 72 acres. That's a lot. So you have a lot of the garden stuff here, a lot of fountains, and there you can see the dam. Even there you have fountains. I think that's boating, yes. Where are you, Kunju?
Vrindavan Garden. Master.
Hey Kunju. എവിടെയാണ് ഷോ? ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവും തോന്നുന്നു.
അറ്റമേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവുക.
Lights are on. The show is about to start. Oh, look at this.
ഇതെല്ലാം ഇനിയും ഉണ്ടാവും.
So guys, that was the video for today, and we hope you guys like the video. So tomorrow we'll again continue with the part 2 of this trip, day 2.
Yes. So when you go to Vrindavan Garden, if you are going for the light show, go to the opposite direction where have the amphitheater kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we went to the opposite side and we were late for the show.
Yeah, we were like running in that crowd, and there's a lot of crowd, guys. Lot of crowd. So make sure you go
Follow
to
your safety precautions.
Yeah. So to go to the light show, you have to enter, and then to the right, if you go, you have to cross a bridge and all, and then you reach this light show place. So that is how. So it starts at around 7 p.m.
So I've told you the timings already.
Okay, and it ended like around 7:40 yesterday with Vande Mataram song. It ended, but in weekends I guess it's a little bit longer. Yeah.
It's like 2 hours.
Okay, so and then you can go and check out the other side of the garden. So it's a huge garden. You can go and make sure you follow safety precautions. There's a lot of crowd. Yeah. So that's it for today.
One more thing.
Yeah.
We were staying in country in by Harrison. I mean, not Harrison. We were staying in country in by
Radisson. Yeah.
hotels. So when we came here, we got an upgrade to suite room with a balcony and interconnected rooms. So that we are staying here and our parents are staying just behind that door.
Yeah.
So we got an upgrade also, and this hotel is also very nice. We are going to try how the breakfast is, but as for the stay is very good.
Yeah. So that's it for the video for today. Day 2 comes up tomorrow, and we'll see you there. Until then, it's
Bye
bye
from
from
us.
us.